This is Number the Stars by Lois Lowry. Chapter 5, Who was the Dark-Haired One? Anne-Marie and Ellen are awakened suddenly by pounding at the door. 3 German soldiers have come to look for the Rosens.
This is the Johansson apartment.
Yes, how can I help you?
You are friends with the Rosens, aren't you?
Yes, we are friends. Now can you please lower your voices? My children are sleeping.
Well then, can you tell me where the Rosens are?
I assume that they are at home sleeping. It is 4 in the morning after all.
The Rosens' apartment is empty. We were wondering if they were visiting their good friends, the Johanssons.
Well, there is nobody here but my family.
Well then, you won't mind if we have a look around.
Please don't wake my children. There's no need to frighten the little ones. The soldiers make their way through the apartment, opening and closing closet doors. They go to Christy's room. The little blonde remains asleep. Ellen, wake up. Take off your necklace. Why? The soldiers are here looking for you and your family. Desperately, Ellen tries to unclip her necklace, but she couldn't. I can't get it open! Hold still, this is gonna hurt. Emily grabbed the gold chain, yanked it off, and squeezed it tightly in her hand. Terrified, both girls looked up at the 3 Nazi officers that entered the room.
Get up and get out.
The 2 girls followed them into the living room.
What are your names?
My name is Anne-Marie Johansson, and this is my big sister.
Quiet! She can speak for herself.
He was glaring angrily at Ellen. Ellen cleared her throat. My name is Lisa Johansson. The soldier grabbed Ellen's hair and pulled hard.
You have a blonde-haired child sleeping in the other room. You have this blonde-haired child. Where did you get the dark-haired one? From a different father? Or maybe you got her from somewhere else. From the Rosens, perhaps.
Everyone was silent for a minute. Then Papa went over to an old picture album and removed 3 baby photos. He handed the old picture album to the officer who finally released Ellen's hair. The names of each of the Johansson babies were written underneath each photo. But luckily not the birth dates, since the real Lisa Johansson would be 21 years old today, if she hadn't died. The soldier looked at each photo carefully.
Kirsty Johansson, Anne-Marie Johansson, Lisa Johansson.
He stared long and hard at Ellen before ripping the photo in half and stomping on it with his heavy boot. The soldiers left, and Papa closed the door behind them. Emily unclasped her hand and looked down at the necklace still hidden in her hand. The Star of David was imprinted in her palm. Thanks for watching my puppet show. Bye!